Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we edit the blocks that we have created. So let's create a block. So let's suppose this is a block that we have created, and so let's save it. As you can see, the block is saved, and now to edit it, just click on this edit option, select the block, open it, and here you can edit the blocks. Let's suppose I'm gonna trim the sides. If you're done with editings, to save it, just click here, close block, then save the changes. And here, as you can see, your block has been saved. If you want to apply the new saved block, just click here, insert, and here's the new block. So this way you can edit the block and save it. Hope you like this video. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.